Welcome to this Love Notes mystery quilt video. We're glad you're watching. We hope you find these tips helpful as you build the quilt blocks for Kimber Bell's Love Notes mystery quilt. In this episode, tips for getting started.
A few tips that we have for you. Some of the things that you'll need to get you started. You will need to have some iron-on fusible interfacing for your backing fabric. And so we do have the fusible no-show mesh, which is perfect. You will also need some no-show mesh stabilizer for your hooping. And
you'll need to prepare all of your, it's best to put this on the back of your fabric before you cut it out. That way you're not double cutting.
Yep. And that way your fabric doesn't get distorted as well.
So in the directions that we have, you're going to get these today. So in there, when you open it up, it is telling you what fabrics you have and what block that you are going to put those with.
Yeah.
If you open that up, then the next one is talking about the embellishment that comes in your box with your box. The next page, this is the one that you guys really want to pay attention to. This right here shows you your fabric and how to cut out your pieces. You have anything to say on that?
Just be careful, some of those fabrics are directional, so when you're cutting, make sure that you have your fabric lined up as it's shown on the page. We want to be sure that those directional prints, whether there's stripes or there's different designs in them, that they're going the right way. Otherwise, they'll kind of be backwards or sideways, and we want your quilt to be perfect.
Stay tuned in to our YouTube channel for more Love Notes videos. Thanks for watching.